Do you know the exact use of banana leaf? Today video I will show the different use cases of banana leaves in daily life. Plate making using banana leaves is a traditional and environmentally friendly method that has been practiced in many cultures for centuries. Here's a general process for making plates using banana leaves. Select fresh and large banana leaves. Ensure that they are clean and free from any damage or holes. Gently rinse the leaves with water to remove any dirt or impurities. Pat them dry using a clean cloth or paper towels. Trim the banana leaves into the desired size and shape for the plates. Typically, rectangular or square shapes are used, but you can be creative and experiment with different shapes. To make the leaves pliable and easier to work with, you can briefly pass them over an open flame or steam them for a few seconds. This process helps prevent the leaves from tearing during plate formation. Shape the plates. Place the softened banana leaf on a flat surface and fold the sides upward to create a shallow tray-like shape. You can use your hands or small weights to hold the folds in place until they set. To ensure that the folds stay in place, you can use natural twine or toothpicks to tie or pin the edges together. Make sure not to tear the leaf while securing it. Guinea pigs can eat banana leaves in moderation. Banana leaves are safe for guinea pigs to consume, and some guinea pigs may enjoy nibbling on them. However, it's essential to ensure that the banana leaves are clean and free from any pesticides, chemicals, or other contaminants that could be harmful to your guinea pig. Remember that guinea pigs have sensitive digestive systems, so it's important to introduce new foods slowly and in moderation. If you notice any signs of digestive upset, such as diarrhea or changes in appetite, discontinue offering banana leaves. Overall, while banana leaves can be a safe and occasional treat for guinea pigs, their primary diet should consist of fresh hay, fresh vegetables, and high-quality guinea pig pellets to meet their nutritional needs. Using banana leaves for fish frying is a traditional and flavorful method that is commonly practiced in various cuisines. The banana leaves impart a unique aroma and add a subtle flavor to the fish. Here's a general process for using banana leaves for fish frying.